Welcome everyone to the D&C Real Estate Show. I'm D.
I'm C.
Hi everyone. Our topic today is going to be home insurance versus home warranty, and we're going to talk a little bit about what's required on the lender side, what's required. We're just going to talk about the home warranty versus home insurance. So tell us a little bit about home insurance, please.
Sure. On the lender side, every lender is going to require that you have a homeowner's policy, whether you're in a house or a townhome, to make sure that you're covered in the event that something happens to the property or someone comes in and has an accident, slips and falls or something like that. So typically what we're going to do on the lender side is we're going to take your annual premium, we're going to divide that by 12, and that's going to be added to your monthly mortgage payment along with your taxes and insurance. It's called an escrow.
Okay.
So we're going to set that escrow account up for you so that at the end of the year, that money for your premium is actually going to be sitting in an account so that we can make the payment for you. So tell us a few things on the real estate side, and tell us some things that you like to see that insurance company.
Well, basically on the home insurance side of it in regards to real estate, it basically covers your dwelling and the structures that's on your home itself also too. And usually it's more so like kind of natural disaster. You have a lightning strike, you have hail damage, you have something tragic that happened to your home, and fire. Something that you might cause. I left the stove on and or whatever. My kid left the stove on, and now I got a fire in my house, and it destroyed everything.
Sure.
So that's kind of what home insurance. That's what you need it for. Something that's major that hits your home, and it usually covers even. Typically, it covers your deck, or you have a shed out there. Usually, cover that. That portion of it.
Okay.
So that's typically what happens on home insurance. So it's something major. Your roof. When you have hail damage and roof gets destroyed, the sidings get destroyed. Something that's really, really major. So it also covers some personal property too. It depends on what insurance company you get with. It might be extra coverage, depends. But always do an inventory of your home, and then go get with insurance, kind of what the home is worth, what's in your home. If you got a Brunswick, say, pool table that's costing $50,000, that's something you might want to have.
I need to come to your house.
That you might want to cover also too in regards to that. So jewelry and all that other stuff. Sometimes there's extra coverage, depends on what insurance company you have also too. So let's talk a little bit about the home warranty side. Can you tell us a little bit about home warranty?
Sure. One thing I was also going to say about the insurance before we get to that part is make sure that every year or every other year that you kind of take a look at that premium.
Absolutely.
Because it's added into your mortgage payment, your insurance company will gradually increase that premium for you over time, and it's something that you want to shop to make sure that you're getting a competitive advantage.
Well, see, I'm cheap. I'm really cheap.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
So I check every year.
Okay.
Because I had it one year. I swear it was like $1,400, and then all of a sudden it was $2,200.
Oh wow!
And all of a sudden, man, why my stuff is so much higher now? And then I shopped it, and then I end up. They said, well, they had a lot of natural disasters everywhere. The premiums went up, so I found one for like $1,600. So always shop when you get that home insurance.
Sure.
I do it every year, but some people wait a couple years, but I do it every year. So.
And one of the other important things that I share with people is, you're going to have a deductible, and just like any other insurance, that's something that you hope that you never really have to use.
Absolutely.
So if you've had a small challenge, you're probably going to be better off paying for that out of pocket, because a lot of times they're going to raise your premium on you.
Absolutely.
So the home insurance versus your home warranty, the home warranty is something, if your dishwasher breaks or your stove breaks or, your HVAC, you're definitely going to want to make that claim, and they're typically not going to raise their premium amount on you too much. But the home warranty itself is going to cover things inside of the house. David, I know you like that home warranty, and I know you have one. Tell everybody kind of like what's covered on your policy and how it works.
Well, basically it covers stuff that's unseen, like the plumbing, what's in between the walls, the electrical,
Wow.
Stuff that's unseen that your inspector, even when he went through it, they weren't able to get between walls.
Sure.
They might have got in the attic or something like that. But getting that home warranty give you that peace of mind, especially when I have an older home, and all of a sudden I just moved in the home, and all of a sudden my plumbing just broke on me, and my electrical just maybe just got damaged, and I don't know
Sure.
what was going on. So that home warranty policy helps on things that really wasn't seen, the rust and the pipes and all that other good stuff that you really can't see. Now, it has the basic coverage usually cover all that stuff that's unseen, but you can get for washer and dryer, you can get the extra coverage for washer and dryer, and depends also too. You was talking about a little about the HVAC system. It's a little bit more, but typically you want that to
Sure.
because that's the really big ticket items. The hot water heater and the furnace
You're gonna spend some
and
money.
stuff.
fixing
Yeah,
that
you're
stuff.
gonna spend a lot of money fixing that, and I get it. I just I do it. I pay my monthly charges like I pay $42 a month, something
Wow.
like that, and then you give them a service fee like $75 to $100, depends on which insurance company you have, but they'll fix it up. So
Nice.
it's good to have a home warranty policy along with your home insurance, but it's not required.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, the warranty is not something that's required, but it sure is nice to have that extra coverage
Absolutely.
because you definitely don't want to make a claim on your insurance if you don't have to.
Absolutely.
So David, tell everybody how they can get a hold of you.
David Babineau from Caldwell Bank Residential Brokers. Phone number is 303-903-0395, or you can look for me on the social media, the Real Estate Man 24/7. Also, too, I just got a new name
Uh-oh.
for the Secretary of State.
Okay.
B knows real estate. So
I like it.
look for that coming on my marketing and all that good stuff later. But give me your information.
Well, it's Calvin Mallard. I'm with Fairway Independent Mortgage, and I can always be reached direct at 720-364-9726. Check me out on Facebook at Loans by Calvin, and you can also do an application online at loansbycalvin.com. Have a blessed day, everybody.
Have a blessed day, everybody. Take care.